Right, I wasn't really sure whether to make this little video, but I've decided I'm going to. For those who watch my live stream, they will probably already know that we lost the remote control for our Amazon Fire Stick. Yeah, we actually lost the remote, and we looked everywhere for it, couldn't find it anywhere. And the wife said, "You was the last one who had it, you're the one who lost it." Well, we found it. Or she did actually. This little baby here. Yeah, we got it back. And guess what? It wasn't me, it was her. She accidentally put it inside one of her magazines. Unbelievable. Yes, I know. So, so as we found it, and it's sometimes really hard to find because of the colour, you know, any dark place you're not going to see it. So we decided to invest in one of these little babies. They're little skins, yeah, that you put over the top to find it. I can't actually give her a link for that because it's something to do with Amazon. Amazon has certified that this skin is suitable for this. Not sure what that's all about, but so you just have to find it on your own. So with that, I'm going to quickly show you around the box, literally. Yeah. See that, babe? Yeah, got that? And it says here mission, so I'm assuming that's the company that makes it. Remote skin for Alexa voice remote. That's what it says. Right, she shut up now. So Alexa, she tries to listen. You know what she's like, I should have muted her. But yeah, it's not cheap, it's about £10. And you think, yeah, it's only a skin. So what we're going to do, we're going to rip her open. And that is it, yeah? It looks nice. Comes in 4 different colours, like you can see on there. And I thought, well, there's no point in getting the black one. It's already black. But we wanted this one. Like I said, hopefully, I'm not even going to read the instructions on this, but hopefully it will just fit and job done. Do I need to read the instructions? No, I do not need to read the instructions. That is it. It's like a rubbery, so it's nice and grippy, but still quite smooth. You want to see that? Huh? Huh? What do you think? I think it looks okay. Hopefully we won't lose it again because, like I said, we did lose it and we lost it for a few days as well. What's it today? It's Friday, so we lost it Saturday, so nearly a week before we found it. I had to download an app onto my phone so I could use the Fire Stick or the Fire TV until we found this. Was going to buy a new one, but they're not cheap to buy that remote. I can't find it on its own at a reasonable price. You might as well buy the whole lot again. I didn't really want to do that neither. But there it is, we found it and we are very pleased. So with that, that's it. It's a short little video. So with that, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down and please subscribe, it's free. It doesn't cost you any money and it helps the channel to carry on growing. So thank you very much for watching.